Hey guys, what's going on? I want to show you these pants I got today. I bought them from Adidas. They're awesome. Check it out. Adidas Firebird track pants in black. They're good. Size medium. They fit baggy, so get a size medium. Never get a large or anything unless you want them to fit really big. But yeah, they're straight leg. They're pretty cool. They got 2 pockets. They zip up too, right? They got a pocket for your wallet in the back. Tray full plant logo on the front. I like them. Check it out, right? Here. Try them on, I'll show you.
Inclement weather is on the way for many areas of western Canada. Here's what are the highs that we saw across the country today. 21 in Halifax, 23 in Fredericton, Toronto 27, out in the west.
They fit good. They're perfect.
Degrees, but it's Saskatchewan and Manitoba that are really starting to feel that heat.
Right, they're cool. They're loose too. I don't like them too tight. And they're form-fitting though around the waist too. You get the size that you actually need. Don't order a size up. I don't like it to be way too baggy. I like the white stripes though on everything. They're perfect. So yeah, I recommend them. They were on sale on July 1st for like 40% off the entire website. I got them for 15% off. I missed the sale, but whatever. They're like $80 plus tax, free shipping. They're really cool. They're comfortable. They're soft on me. They got 3 pockets, like I said. And yeah, I recommend them. They're so cool. They are so comfortable. I never had a pair as comfortable as these in my life. I love Adidas. So yeah, I recommend them. Adidas Firebird track pants. They got the jacket too. I don't like the collar, so I just bought the pants to wear with the sweater. I mean, I don't really need it, right? But I thought it'd be cool to have some more clothes to wear. But yeah, Adidas Firebird track pants. I hope you like them. Enjoy. Peace out.